Hey guys, and well, there we go. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, today, Smite returns. Reinforced and such, and he actually has 3 frames that I could use for him. There's this Vortex frame, Axe, and Expand. Let me show you. Axe gives Smite more aggression, and it can defend itself from lower attacks better. Whereas Expand is wide and it can prevent from scraping. So greater LAD. I'm using Vortex today because I don't know. And today the opponent is none other than the Tyrannical God, World Spriggan. 2B Unite Dash. So World Spriggan will start in locked right rotation mode, and yeah, let's just get right to it. I think I'll do first to 7 points. No 6. 1-0. Smack. That's not good. A big hit. War definitely doesn't have the stamina to outlast World. Yep, 1-1. I put Expand on War Smite, so that'll be interesting. That was bad timing for the launch. I missed the launcher grip. Oh my god. My Expand frame! 2-1. Screw it, we're going back to Vortex. Oh guys, if you are wondering why I don't use a string launcher for War, it's because, oh, 2-2, this is a really balanced fight. But it's the reason why I use this launcher for War is, let me talk slowly. The reason why I use this launcher for War Smite is because there's no other launcher that fits his frickin' lock. War Smite, how he goes on the launcher, is like this. He doesn't go all the way down. This is the only launcher that holds it. Stupid. But it has to be that way. 2-2. We're going again. Ooh. Scrapage. Ooh, good hits. But that leads to World having 3 points. If War Smite gets this 3rd point, World Spriggan is going into left spin. Oh my god, the scrapage. Four to 2, World is going in left spin. World is now left rotation, free spinning mode. And I prefer if you stay on launch until I launch you. Come on, War. Okay then. 4-3. And we get another point. Dang it. Screw it. He was having launch difficulties. Make the rubber make contact to outspin him. Come on, War. Spin steal. Cramp. That's what? 5-3. This is too close. Okay, so now I'm using Expand since LAD is essential here. 6-3. That's a 2-point score overall. This video is not long enough. We're going to 8. No, we're going to 10. I decided against going to 10 because I plan on uploading more videos today, and uploading one video just this long takes forever. So, yeah. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Smite did unfortunately lose, but he put up one freaking good fight. World is not that easy to beat, and for my personal preference, Smite isn't a god level bay. Yes, it can hit hard. Yes, it absolutely destroys Dynamite battle bays. But when it comes to Super King, just the amalgamation of chassis and ring is just too much for Smite to push. So yeah guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you so desire. And I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.